Hey guys, it's Brklyn. Today I have my hands on Apple Watch's most premium watch. So I want to go over the differences between the standard one that I have and the most premium one. As you can tell just by looking at them, this box is a lot more premium than the standard one. However, Apple Watch's standard one still looks pretty premium too. The Apple Watch prices are $399 and $1299. So there is a $900 difference. So let's see what the $900 difference is. We're gonna go ahead and take a closer look and open this up. As just like the standard Apple Watch, this one also is separated into the actual watch and then the band. So we'll open up the watch first. This is the space black color that only comes in this version. So that's really cool. And then the standard watch is the 40 millimeters. That's the one I have. And then this is the 44 millimeters. This version also comes with a charger. When they first were selling these, they came with a charger. Now they don't, but this is one of the first ones bought. So it does come with that one. And then this band is like all the other sports bands that Apple Watch has, except it has Hermes on the back of it. So we'll take a closer look at that in just a little bit. So this model comes with two different bands. So that's the first band, and then we'll open up the second one. So these bands are Hermes. They are the ones who made it, and then Apple actually made the actual Apple Watch. So the bands come with this felt, super soft, really, really nice case. Makes it feel nice and premium. And then the bands are leather, and they smell so good, just like leather. And they are sturdy, thick leather, really, really nice bands. So that is what the box all has in it. Let's talk a little bit more about the watch. The space black color is super cool and looks clean and sharp. It also comes with DLC, diamond-like coating, so it is super hard to scratch, which is really nice too. Speaking of scratching, the standard model with aluminum case has Ion X glass. This model is protected by sapphire, so it shouldn't scratch. My model comes with GPS and Wi-Fi. This one has Wi-Fi, GPS, and cellular. So that's super convenient. You can also tell by this dial on the back, on the side. The red circle means it has cellular. Another fun thing that only the Hermes Apple Watches have is their Hermes Apple Watch faces. So if you are wanting one of those the Hermes Apple Watch faces, you will need to buy the Hermes Apple Watch. Everything is nicer about this Apple Watch. However, the functions are the same. I got the standard version because I like the health aspect and the notifications, that the convenience of it being on my wrist still, but I also like the looks of that one. So for me, the $900 wasn't really what I was wanting to spend on it when I like the standard one just fine. Let me know in the comments below though if you guys like this version better. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in.